Hey guys, welcome to the channel. What's going on? Today's episode is with this clown. He wants to get some tires swapped over on his wife's car. What is this thing? CX-3?
Mazda, baby. Mazda, dude.
Wow.
CX-3. All-wheel drive. You gotta include that in there.
He's got ball tires. Well, this one's not bad.
Look at this one. Look at this one. This is the worst one. I don't know. Maybe I need an alignment or something.
You don't even need tires, dude. They look brand new. This one? A little dry rotted. Daggum.
Too late now, dude. They already been bought.
Yeah, they're not that bad. My wife learned how to drive. Nice gloves.
Shout out to Walmart.
You're just all about the sponsorship today,
dude.
huh?
It's all about sponsors, dude.
Not a bad little ride.
It's not bad, huh? I mean, it's like the cheapest all-wheel drive car you can get, dude.
Is it? Ease up.
If not,
hey,
Subarus.
Little boys and girls watch this channel.
Sorry, guys. If not, Subarus, dude. They want an arm and a leg for them. That's all Utah people drive is Subarus.
Subis.
Subis. Shout out to the Subis out there, STIs.
All right, go take her over there. All right, guys, question for you. What's the last thing you did to help someone in the automotive field? What's the last mechanic thing you did for free, didn't charge anybody, to help someone else with their car or make their lives a little easier with a vehicle, car, truck, motorcycle? Serious? Feet to take. Hit this button. Another button.
Holy crap, dude. That's crazy.
Of course, your sensor. Oh, that's not good.
Holy crap, dude. Good thing is the old tire.
I'm a little rusty.
How long has it been, dude? Back in the Michelin days, I mean discount tire days, dude.
Been a hot minute.
No tire sensors?
Everything going okay over here? Oh yeah.
Great, man. I'm just watching this guy. We're making a YouTube video on how to replace a tire on a rim. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I've never used anything sorts of this machinery, but this guy has, man.
Me neither.
I just went to discount and got this guy, picked him up.
There you go. How'd you get me on base though? That's the question.
Dude, sponsored, dude. Had to sponsor him, man. You've seen better.
Yeah, see now your tires off.
Holy crap, look at the rim, guys. Look at it. Mazda. If you guys want a cheap all-wheel drive car, buy a Mazda. Can't beat this. Look at how much meat this has. I'm gonna.
It's like soap. Put around the beef.
Do you put it on both sides or just one side?
Both sides.
It's way nice. So it just slides on.
Kind of.
It makes it easier. Oh crap, we found it.
We can balance.
Shout out to Shelby. That looks like a Shelby element. Tell me it doesn't look like it, dude.
Almost.
I thought we were in the Shelby shop for a minute.
So we can
Yeah, dude.
Okay.
So the inside, we'll just say that.
So find it. So that's the outside. So a lot of more performance style tires are directional. They only go in the car one way.
So these are more performance tires?
I don't know if they're performance, like, I mean, they're $80 off Amazon. So I don't know how, I mean, they're not Michelin Pilot Sports, but so if you do this, I mean, you can even just push it on, probably. There you go. And then this, you'll put that, you'll lean it up like that, bring your duck over, push down. Okay. So now this is where a lot of people have trouble. So you want it back over, see this guy right here on the duck, right there. So you want the tire to sit above it, no, but you want it like that. You want it above it and below. So, okay, see how above it,
yeah,
below?
Yeah, I got you.
Now you grab your tire iron again, and if you look down in there, it might be hard to see. You see a little lip.
Yep, see the
right
lip?
there?
Yep.
So you'll hold it down, because it's a little bit more performance tire. If it's a lot wider, a lot bigger of a sidewall, a lot of times it's super easy just to push on it, more flexible. Where this one's a little bit tougher, you want it to be under that as you're spinning it on, so you don't rip. You don't put too much tension here and rip the bead. That makes sense? So this machine will stop before I think it rips the bead. But keep pressure on it while you go. So now hit the pedal. See, keep it, yeah. So you gotta just keep it the whole time. There you go. Money, son. Money. Woo-wee.
Discount coming for you guys. All right. Now.
So I'll spin it around. Okay. Take your clamps off because you're clamped on. You're on the wheel, not on the inside. You're on the outside, so it won't fill up with air. Speed. Because it'll rock your world.
So do I hit the pedal or do I just fill it up?
No, well, that's what you do. Hit the pedal.
Oh.
There you go. Just hold it down.
What am I doing?
You're going too far on the pedal, just barely. It's like a two-step pedal.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
So 1, 2, 3. Come on, buddy. It'll go, it'll go. It's gonna be loud as hell. There you go. Okay, so now we have too much air, obviously. I just lets it out to 40. About 40. Keep going. Okay.
Boom. Lost air.
Fail number 8. Can't teach this kid anything. All right, here, go just a little bit more, because we'll lose a few pounds. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now check it again. Let's put a little more air. More. Up. Alright. Pretty good for the girls we go with. Alright guys, it's getting windy. Oh, clean you off real quick. Anyway, got the tire swapped out. I guess with my new channel, I'm just kind of gonna do my day-to-day. Every time I try to do Mustang stuff, it doesn't ever go as planned. So I'm just gonna kind of go do my day to day. Me helping other people with cars. Luis is a good friend of mine, so I had no problem helping him. He's a good dude. I think he has a Mustang. He claims he has a Mustang. I've never seen it. I think he has a 2014 with a Paxton on it. Is what he claims. I've never seen it. It's supposed to be red. I don't know. Luis, if you're watching this, bro, where's your car at, bro? Still waiting to see it. Kind of calling bull crap that you even have one. I think you're just doing it to be my friend. That'll be the end of this video, unless I add in a little bit more. So, what do you think?
Guys, it wasn't that bad. It was kind of challenging at first, but hey, I did one.
Now you're gonna come back and do them all, huh?
You gotta know somebody that knows how to do it though. Hit up Coach.
Don't hit me up.
DM
I'm too busy.
You get all these DMs.
I know.
They're like, hey dude, can you change my tires too?
Yeah, just kidding. All fun and games. But anyway, let's go for a ride. See how she feels. See if you can tell the difference.
Let's do it, dude.
All right.